am I going to be able to help these 4 ladies out with their makeup for this flag lipstick art photo shoot? Or are they going to tell me to step aside so they can just do it themselves? Well, let's find out how all their lipstick turns out throughout the video. Oh man.
Do you even know what you're doing?
Don't throw it at me. I told you the wrong thing. Wait, don't mix those colors.
Do you even know color theories? Like...
Okay, I think we can fix it. We can fix it. Oh, sorry.
Hi, my name is Emanuela Alex Efrie, and I'm from Ghana, and I'm representing Ghana. I did Ghana makeup today, and if you want to see how the video went, you can watch me on Instagram at emanuela.efrie.501 or lemonade. Thank you.
All right, you ready, Emanuela?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in order to make sure, so you got a bunch of different colors there. I don't know, do you want to hold them up to show everybody?
Yeah. This is the white, the red, the yellow, the green, and the black.
Yeah.
So these are the colors.
Very good, very good. Yeah, so some of those, if you notice, some of those are darker colors.
Yeah.
Like heavier colors, and some of those are lighter colors. So we're going to start off with the lighter colors first.
Which is the white?
Yeah, like the white and yellow, those lighter, weaker colors, we're going to start off with those first, and then the darker colors later on. The reason for that is because what I've seen is if you put the darker colors first, then it smears the whiter colors, and it could mess it up. So
okay.
So we'll start off with the weaker ones first. So yeah, so let's start off with the white, if you could.
Which is this color?
Yeah, so she's gonna be doing the Ghanaian flag. Maybe I'll try to put it up on the screen right now so you guys can see it, everyone who's watching. So the first half, so the top half
has to be the white.
Yeah, the top half of your bottom lip and the bottom half of your top lip, like that, just that middle part where the yellow is going to be later. Let's see if we can make that white.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with the white first, and so the white here. And another one down.
Let's make sure we leave a little bit of room for
the star.
Yeah, well, for the yellow.
Okay.
Sorry, the red and the green underneath.
Okay, so okay. I did great, right?
Yeah, that looks good. Actually, a little bit into like your lip, like the bottom lip, you know what I'm saying? Because then people still be able to see that.
Right, okay.
Let's cover it as much as possible.
I just go over here.
Yeah.
Ooh,
yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
And
if it doesn't look perfect, I can edit it out in Photoshop and stuff like that.
Okay. And I'll just wait for this to dry up a little bit.
Fan?
No, it's okay.
Sure, I can get you another plate.
Well, you can use your hand or...
Turn this off while you're drying.
list.
Mm-hmm. Take a look. Wow, amazing. It's a very nice clean line. Okay.
And to save time, I'll just add the red to it. And then when it's done, you just try and dry it off, you know. Okay, I hope I don't mess the red up.
Good job. Okay.
Hi, my name is Deja. You can find me on Instagram at Divine Day, and today I'll be doing the African American flag.
That looks good. So let's have a look at the camera, see what that first part looks like. Very nice. Good. All right. So
Next will be the green. So hi everyone, my name is Kim. I'm an artist. I make music, neo soul. My artist name is Chimera Co. It stands for Know Your Mirror, also known as Your Soul, Know Oneself. And I'm also from Jamaica, Kingston from, Kingston, Jamaica, bop bop. And today I'm here with Nunzo and I'm gonna be doing a lipstick photo shoot with my flag. So here we go.
perfect.
So now I'm going to, this is green, but I want it to be a little lighter. So I'm just mixing the yellow lipstick to give it that lighter,
Good idea.
like forest green that the Jamaican flag has.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Color theory.
Okay, so that's like the first step complete.
Mm-hmm.
Looking there, very good. Let me just show that off. Very good, good job. Okay. So we're gonna do next, Kim.
So the next thing that I'm gonna do is add my base coat, which is the white, just so that the yellow could stay on and show up a lot more.
enough?
Top? Should be.
This will make it a light yellow even if you mix it.
Yeah. Alright, I think I'm ready for the black now. So now we are going to add, well, I'm adding the black. This should be like my first makeup tutorial.
Oh, for real?
That's why I'm like, we.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Osinachi Onokogu and I am representing Nigeria. I'll be doing the Nigerian flag on my lips. I'm super excited because I've never done anything like this before. A little bit about me, you can find me on social media at Osina_God_. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to start with the white because it's easier to start with the white. White tends to bleed over, but you know. I'm using the white and I'm using the green, and I will start off with white.
All right. And so now Ossie's doing the green. The green last before the white. I think it's always best to start off with the lighter, weaker colors first and the darker colors afterwards. Because if you do the darker colors last, then you know you can kind of like control the lines, you know, the interface where the lighter colors stop. Versus if you're going to do white last, if you try to kind of paint over white or control the line, the interface between the white and the green, it would smudge at the interface and you wouldn't get that smooth, sharp line. All right, so how did I do? Looks like I was able to help out a little bit with the makeup,
Yeah.
The lipstick, you know what I'm saying? What do you think?
Yeah, because this is my first time for doing the lipstick colors representing Ghana. So this photo shoot was really fun, and I did a lot of mess. So thank you for like helping me with that. So I had fun.
Yeah, I think you did a great job. I mean, I was kind of learning a little bit myself as we were going through it, but you know, I had models from a previous shoot kind of teach me the tips and tricks, but you did it really well with the base coating and just all the other parts of the lipstick.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, and with this photo shoot, I really like the part where I made a mess, because yeah, we are human, you know. And I really love the pictures too. They were really beautiful.
Yeah, you did a good job. All right, thanks a lot, guys. All right, so we're done. What do you think of the photo shoot, Deja?
I thought it was great and definitely went really well.
All right, that's what's up. What was your favorite part?
The application process, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do it, but ended up turning out really good.
Yeah, she did a great job. She's a natural. Okay, so thanks a lot everybody for tuning in. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, hit that like button really hard. If you didn't like it, then just tap it really lightly instead for me, all right? So please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. And yeah, just continue to engage. You know, all this engagement teaches the YouTube algorithm to show you more of what you want to see and less of what you don't want to see, right? Okay, so thanks a lot. I'm gonna link more like related videos and playlists at the end of this video, so check that out if you want to see the application process or any types of tutorials and things like that. Thanks a lot. Take care. We will see you in the next video. All right, wow, that was a dope photo shoot. I'm feeling great. How are you feeling, Ken?
I feel really, really good.
All right.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I would say my favorite part of that is actually the process of like putting the lipstick on and like creating the design. It almost felt like I was literally painting my lips.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
All right, no doubt. So let me know if you guys want to be in this photo shoot again. I'm gonna do these, several rounds of these photo shoots throughout, probably from now till, whenever I've done one from every country, then we'll do all the countries all over again, right?
Yeah, all around the world.
Yeah. All right, so hit us up in the comment section down below, in the description, I should say. Show Kim some love. Where can they find you, Kim?
So yes, I'm on Instagram. I also have a new single out called Tell Me. You can find that on all streaming platforms. And feel free to follow me on my streaming platforms and on YouTube for more music to come. So,
no doubt. Thanks a lot, everybody. We appreciate your time watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, then tap it really lightly instead, all right? Subscribe to our YouTube channels, hit the bell buttons to get notifications anytime we post new content. We appreciate you guys taking time to watch these videos. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. So what did you think, Aussie?
This was fun. This was my first photo shoot, and I had a lot of fun.
All right, so thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button really hard. If you didn't like it, just tap it really lightly instead, all right? It does the same thing. So, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. Thanks a lot. Take care, and we will see you in the next video.